In today's digital age, having a strong online presence has become essential for any business or organization. This has led to a surge in demand for skilled website developers who can create attractive, functional, and user-friendly websites. If you are proficient in website development, then there are several ways to monetize your skills and earn a lucrative income. In this article, we will explore some of the best ways to make money by website development skill. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money as a website developer. There are several websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, where you can create a profile and start offering your services to clients from all over the world. As a freelancer, you can set your own rates and choose projects that align with your interests and skill set. Freelancing also offers the flexibility of working from home, which is ideal for those who prefer a work-life balance. Building and selling websites. Another lucrative way to make money as a website developer is by building and selling websites. You can create websites for different niches, such as e-commerce, blogging, or portfolio websites, and then sell them to interested buyers. There are several online marketplaces like Flippa and Empire Flippers where you can list your websites for sale. Building and selling websites requires a lot of upfront effort, but it can result in a significant return on investment. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to monetize websites. As a website developer, you can create niche websites or blogs and promote affiliate products related to your niche. You can earn a commission on every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Affiliate marketing requires a lot of effort in terms of content creation, SEO, and social media marketing, but it can be a highly lucrative source of passive income. Offering maintenance and support services. Once you have built a website for a client, you can offer ongoing maintenance and support services. This can include tasks like website backups, updates, and security checks. You can charge a monthly fee for these services, which can add up to a significant income stream over time. Teaching website development. Finally, if you are an expert in website development, you can monetize your skills by teaching others. You can create online courses, ebooks, or webinars, and sell them to aspiring website developers or business owners who want to learn how to build and manage their websites. Teaching is a rewarding way to share your knowledge and skills with others while earning a steady income. Offer custom website development services. In addition to offering website maintenance and support services, you can also offer custom website development services. This involves creating websites from scratch according to the client's specific requirements. Custom website development can be more profitable than building and selling pre-made websites since you can charge a higher fee for your specialized services. Specialize in a niche. Specializing in a particular niche can help you stand out from other website developers and attract more clients. For example, you can specialize in e-commerce websites or websites for small businesses. By focusing on a specific niche, you can become an expert in that area and charge higher rates for your services. Create and sell website themes and templates. If you have design skills in addition to website development skills, you can create and sell website themes and templates. This involves designing pre-made website layouts and selling them to clients who can then customize them according to their needs. You can sell website themes and templates on marketplaces like ThemeForest and Creative Market, and many more.